Hi, so this is Dipti Shah. Amati journey started when me as a designer was finding difficulty in sourcing the products for our clients, and we used to run around, trying to find the perfect sofa, the perfect chair, and it was quite a hassle even for me, even for the clients. And we decided to open up our own furniture store. We started, importing a lot of furniture, crafting furniture, bespoke furniture pieces ourselves, and that's how we started this entire store.
I have done very big projects scaling from Kolte Patil Builders individual bungalows, which is, Mr. Kolte's bungalow and Mr. Patil's bungalow. Then working on D.Y. Patil College's head P.D. Patil's bungalow in Koringa Park, which was spread over 4 acres. I have done these huge projects.
We at Amati are designers who give you complete turnkey solutions for all your interior requirements. We are very particular about not only giving the client the design but a lifestyle. So the design process is very easy. He's come through two sources. He's either seen our work or he's come through a recommendation. So when he comes through a recommendation, it gets a little tricky because we need to understand if he really knows us as designers. So the process is not only one way, it's also two way because we have to understand his requirements because we don't have any base. So when we start through that, we need to understand what luxury means to him. If he wants luxury, we need to understand what's the definition of luxury for him. So what we do is like we show him a lot of pictures, and through those pictures we try to understand what he really means by luxury. Once we understand that, then it's an easy process. So the first battle is won when we understand what he really wants in terms of the design. The second battle is quite easy because the requirement list is quite same. So he wants like 2 bedroom apartment, 3 bedroom apartment. The requirements according to the questionnaire is filled. So we have these questions like how many people are staying there, what are the lifestyle, how do you spend your time alone in the house, how many times you entertain your guests. So all of these things follow. We are designing for his lifestyle. So this is what sets us apart. We're not just making the rooms pretty and the walls beautiful. We are trying to make a space which is just for him. It's functional, it's him, it speaks his personality, and it's what he would require at the end of the day.